Okay. So now it debates or it says that since we have gained independence, since our constitution is already made, we are aware of these principles and ideas, so why now the study of political theory is important? Besides, is all this relevant for us now? Have we not already achieved freedom and democracy? While India is free and independent, questions regarding freedom and equality have not ceased to crop up. This is because issues concerning freedom, equality, democracy arise in many areas of social life, and they are being implemented in different sectors at different places. For instance, although equality may exist in political sphere in the form of equal right, it may not exist at the same extent in the economic or social spheres. People may enjoy equal political right but still be discriminated against society because of their caste or poverty. Now they are saying that why, since India has already gained independence, so why is these notions of freedom, equality still relevant right now also? So it is saying, दो इंडिया ने फ्रीडम तो गेन कर लिया है, बट ऑल द क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू फ्रीडम, इक्वालिटी, डेमोक्रेसी, वो ओवर द टाइम पीरियड उस पर डिबेट होता रहा है, एंड दे हैव ऑलवेज कम इन टू the very arena of politics, and it has been debated continuously. Okay, like, yes, it is true that India has gained equality, India has gained freedom, democracy, but has India gained equality in practical life and in all aspects? No. Okay, if we are talking about equality, yes, हमें, if we are talking about political equality, तो yes, we all have right to vote, everyone is having right to vote, we can choose our representatives, but are we equal in every sector? No, we are not. If we will consider about job, still there are many places where there is a distinction between a male or a female, different wages, different salary is given, or we can say different paycheck is there. For gender also, different gender discrimination is still there. In fact, we have caste discrimination at society level. We are not equal. Somebody is way too poor, somebody is way too rich. Worst conditions, like somebody is actually having luxurious or luxurious meals in their wedding, and so much food is being wasted, and somebody cannot even afford a meal for one time. So we still have inequalities in our country. Okay, people may enjoy political rights, but and still people are in everybody is enjoying political rights, everybody is having fundamental rights as well, but still we discriminate people on the basis of their caste and poverty. We do. Some people may have a privileged place in society while others are deprived even of basic necessities, yes, which I have already discussed. Some are able to achieve whatever goals they set for themselves, while many are unable even to go to school so that they can have decent jobs in future. For them, freedom is still a distant dream. Now see, we are saying that everyone is free, but if we are talking about reality, are we really free in all aspects? So now you might have this whole argument, मैम गवर्नमेंट ने तो सबको प्रोविजन दिया है, फ्री एजुकेशन है, we are even giving them midday meal. So within all these issues we have bigger debates. We cannot realize the situation of people until we step in their own shoes. Yes, government is doing things, government is making free education also for the child, for the age group of 6 to 14, but how do we know that everyone is going? There might be some conditions related to family, like father is very strict, mother is very strict, still there are many households where education is not given importance. So किसी ना किसी social constraint की वजह से बच्चे नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, and they are for them freedom is still a dream. So since we have not gained freedom, equality in all aspects, so it is really important to actually study political theory, and also it is even helping us to know about future. So that is why political theory, you need to understand, will always be important. Even if we gain complete freedom, there will be other set of rules, principles which we need to deal with. Okay, like if we are talking about foreign countries, yes, gender discrimination is not there, caste discrimination is not there, people go to students go to school, education is good, but then there are other kinds of things associated with our morals. We are educated enough, but for small little things we take out our guns and we shoot people. So these are also related to your principles. So then political theory will come and intervene and talk about that freedom does not means that you are free or others are free. जितनी फ्रीडम आपके पास है उतनी फ्रीडम सामने वाले के भी पास है. इफ़ आप दूसरे की फ्रीडम को मिसयूज़ करोगे, आपकी फ्रीडम भी अल्टीमेटली मिसयूज़ होगी. Okay, so at every time period till then governance is there, political theory will be relevant.